Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free certified LLM security expert, that is the CLLMSE certification. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. This is the AI security exam and get the certified LLM security expert CLLMSE certification 100% free using the coupon code. I'll provide you the coupon code. So this is the coupon code AI Expert Security and learn how to secure large language model LLMS, AI agents, RAG pipelines, MCP, prompt injection attack, AI supply chain, OWASP LLM top 10 2025, MITRE Atlas, NIST AI RMF, ISO IE 42001, EU IA Act, and much more. Unlike a traditional AI security certification, CLLMSE includes the hands-on practical labs where you will exploit and defend real AI vulnerabilities, including the prompt injection, RAG positioning, SSRF, tool calling agents, and MCP supply chain attacks. So exam details will be this 100% free coupon using this one and 150 questions, 6-hour duration, 75% passing score, hands on the practical lab, offline self-contained exam, and language in English. So certification link is this one. I'll open this link or this will cover the below topics. So certified LLM security expert CLLMSC, AI security certification, prompt injection, AI rate trimming, OWSCP LLM top 10 2025, MITRE Atlas, NIST AI RMF, MCP security, AI supply chain security, RAG security, and AI agent security. When we'll open this link, so you will find this page. This is the page. Here you can find new exam, certified LLM security expert, and dashboard is there. And this is the detail. 100% free using the coupon. This one. So I'll copy the coupon. So this is the problem. Every company is shipping LLM features and AI agents right now. Almost none of the people building them forever. They tested whether if they can actually secure one certification. Build the traditional apps app and don't cover prompt injection and supply chain attacks or MCP trust boundaries. So CLML MSC does this. So what makes difference? You can go through the other details and here what you will test it. So you can find all the details below. So already we have discussed the practical lab attack it and then defend it. There is a 10 question required the CLLMS lab and self-contained binary. So Mac OS, Linux, Windows, and 5 live attack scenario and indirect prompt injection, rack positioning, and SSRF via the security. So exam details you can find already we have discussed about the exam detail. It will cover these topics and who this is for. Security engineers and architects shipping AI product need to prove and secure them. AI ML engineers build agent who are trying to secure being the someone else problem. Red team leaders and penetrators who wants to credential the map directly to real AI attack surface. GRC professional, blue team, SOC, and CISOs, and security leaders who need to bar and hold the AI team to this one. So there is a handbook is there. You can download this one also. So all the details you can find here. So here the option you can download through this and LLM attacks at prompt injection. So all the topics you can cover this one. This is the 45 pages document are there. Now we are going to this one. So whenever you are opening this, let me open with the new Cognito window. You are coming to this side the first time you are not registered, then there is option to sign in. Click there. So let it open the login page. So this is the login page. Here this option sign in with Google, sign in with GitHub, and there is a email address and password, and click on the sign in. If you don't have account, you can go through the sign up option. So same, you can sign in with the Google and other details. So for security concern, I'm not going to show you the my login details. So I have logged in. So here you can find the detail, and there is options to buy now. When you click on the buy now, it will redirect to another page. So here you can find all the details and price of this one, and there's the option add the promotion code. So let me put this one and click OK. This not this. We have a AI security, AI expert security, and click on apply. This become 0. Okay, we don't have the payment option now, and total due is 0. Just click on the complete order. So after complete order, you can find there is a option is the start exam, and another if you want to exam attempt, so it will ask you to $3. Okay, so $3 for that, and there is an option to click on exam. If you start exam, you have to complete all the things, and then only you will get a certification. So this is the certified LLM security expert. For that you have to go through the exam. So we have gone through the step-by-step process to how to get certified certified LLM security expert, that is CLLMSE certification, 100% free. All the step-by-step process we have gone, and like, share and subscribe for the more free cybersecurity tutorial. And disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. Follow me and support on the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.